So, what that litigation strategies are? So, litigation strategies are like, it may be a deterring, the other one is let the pig grow. I will explain you what it is, and the next is like a settle in or out of the court, best strategy. Okay. So, we will see that particular thing. Just I can give you a few examples here. As name suggests, you can appreciate deterring. Deterring is like a, sometimes there is no any this is very important, you should know here. I can give you the example here that one of our client, he is like a irritated, rather he got a fear that some of his competitor, local competitor, he used to send emails to him that you are doing this wrong, you are doing you are putting certain things on a product, this is wrong. It is related to IP only. I am not able to give you the details. I am just saying that they are putting that things, the certain things whatever the client he was putting, other competitor is just like sending emails, sending some notices that you are doing wrong. Client get what we can say little bit disturbed, that whether I am really doing wrong or I will enter into the litigation and all that thing. So, this is the activity which is just to what we can say give you a fear that you are doing wrong. So, better consult with your patent expert. So, he or she may help you that whether it is a he should take care or not, or this is just a what we can say this competitor is using some what we can say willfully doing it just to give you some deterring what we can say effect or something like that. People are doing that kind of thing. This is happening and at a local level, right. In big organization, this kind of effect is not there. A team of lawyer is there. So, they know what exactly the scenario is. Generally, that is a scenario. Next is like a settle in or out of the court. This also you can appreciate, and this is the best way that if you initiate action and if you prove that with your competitor or whosoever infringer or imitator is there, if you prove that he has done wrong and you are capable now to win the case, he will automatically come for a negotiation and better negotiate and finish off, give him license, so that he will be your what we can say lawful licensee, and he will help you to develop your business. Next is like a let the pig grow. So, here what happened, it is a very shrewd way actually, allow the competitor to imitate. Especially you can do it after 18 months of publication. Your patent is in the public domain. After that you do. Before that if you do, you will be in the trouble, because before 18 months nobody knows whether you have filed patent or not. But after 18 months it is a duty of everyone who is like entering into that business to do a search report and then enter into the market, right. So, what the thing you can do here like that let the competitor imitate, let him invest his money and energy, and let him develop that particular what we can say your product is your patented product is there, he is developing some venture based on that, willfully he is infringing, allow him to do all that thing. Now, whenever you feel okay, enough investment is done by my competitor, if you come to that level and if you are sure about that, and when you completely sure okay, this is good enough, now I can sue this fellow, and then start the litigation against that competitor. It is a very shrewd way. What you have done, you have allowed the infringement, you are keeping watch on that thing, he has invested, he has taken loan, he has developed that that manufacturing unit, and now you have initiated the action. A very shrewd way, but it is a very effective way, because now he cannot run away from the field, and you can license your patent to him very easily. That is one of the way, right. But it is a very what we can say, you have to do it very carefully.